Hey folks, welcome to my channel. Merry Christmas everyone, Merry Christmas. I just stopped by to just say season greetings to everyone, to you and your family, from my family to yours. I hope you have a blessed and wonderful day with your family and friends. I also want to do like a little shout out to a few of my YouTube creators, as also people who are not into YouTube making and stuff. So let me just do a quick little list of shout out to people who are very supportive, everybody who have been supporting this channel and supporting me. I really appreciate that. Thank you so much. So let me get to the shout out and make this video as short as possible. So let me just get to the top of my list. I'm going to start with Chef Jana and DG Tudo and Yahpoet. I have here Sofia's Passion for Cooking, CastIronSkilletKitchen, Trini Kitchen, All Around Vegan, Rose Dookie, Anthony Jeremiah, Career Minded, Simply Naturabelle, Cooking Passion, DOI Eats 2, Dominique's Kitchen. Yeah, so that's it for my shout out today. Okay guys, thanks so much for watching. Have a blessed day. Take care. Bye bye.